Hey everybody, Chris and Brenda here with Chris Holm and Associates. We're here at number 13535 Wood Avenue. Beautiful little bareland strata, 6 homes in this complex. The complex name is Hawthorne Lane. Come on in and check it out. Hey everybody. So Brenda, this was actually the original show home for this complex. So there's a few little extras in the home that the builder put in, like this granite slab on top of the island here, maple hardwood flooring, a little pantry off to the side. What do you think?
I think it's great. I like how the dark cabinets play off of the light maple floor.
Yeah.
And it works because of all the great windows.
Lots of natural light in here.
For sure.
It's super open, like it's just a really great space.
Very functional too. The
home has a double attached garage. You come right into your laundry space. Laundry sink, coat closet, then it brings you into the main living area where you've got a little half bath, great for when you're entertaining guests. I really like this yard. We've got this stamped concrete patio with a little covered space, so your barbecue could be under here all year round. A little lawn area, full underground irrigation. You still got room back here for a trampoline for your kids if you like.
Perfect. Welcome to the upstairs. 3 full bedrooms, 2 full baths, and this great flex space. Come, let's have a look at the master. Another upgrade in this home is the maple hardwood in the master suite. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, spacious walk-in closet, and a lovely ensuite. In the master suite, full stand-up shower, as well as this deep, luxurious soaker tub. Both additional bedrooms are very spacious and have easy access to the upstairs 4-piece main bath.
This basement's got so much potential. You've got room to put in another full bathroom. You can put in a 4th bedroom and down in this space, which would be really great for guests or a growing family. Nice big large window well. And then at the far end here, you've got lots of room for a big, huge family room. You could frame in a space for extra storage. So Brenda, bareland strata.
Really not that frightening.
No, not at all. I think the common misconception is that buyers assume that all stratas are the same. Really, the only similarity is that there are some bylaws in place, because otherwise...
Well, in this bareland strata, you do own the lot that the house is on, and you own the house inside and out. It's yours. It's in your name.
Right.
The only thing you share is the common property, which in this case
is the roadway. So we have a copy of the bylaws at anybody's request. Feel free to send us an email and we can send them along.